my beauties there. Welcome back to my channel Beauty with Rachna. In this video I am going to talk about chemical exfoliation, physical exfoliation, and I will also tell you the products which you can use in your skincare routine if you want to introduce your skin to chemical exfoliation. Now what is chemical exfoliation? Chemical exfoliation is done by the products when you apply something like serum or toner on your skin and you leave it for a few minutes and wash it off, and ultimately your skin becomes regenerate and new skin comes in because your dead skin and dead cells get removed. What is physical exfoliation? Physical exfoliation is that in which you apply scrub on your face and we massage it for a few minutes and then wash it off. Nowadays chemical exfoliation is more trending. People want to try it, and it is also good for those people who have got lots of pimple on their face and they can't scrub their face. So chemical exfoliation is a easier way for them to get rid of dead skins and dead cells. So when we talk about chemical exfoliation, is basically AHA and BHA. AHA is alpha hydroxide acid, which is mainly included in these products, which helps to improve the texture of your skin, helps to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, and it also helps to remove blemishes and dark spots from your face. Now when we talk about chemical exfoliation, in this video I am going to talk about two products that is from the brand Dot & Key. The first one is Dot & Key toner, which comes with 5% of AHA, and second one is Dot & Key serum, which comes with 10% of AHA. While talking about the toner, it comes in this cute packaging. All Dot & Key products are really very beautifully packed. This is the bottle in which you get this toner, and when you open it you get this spray bottle. I don't think the spray bottle is needed for a toner. The toner should not come in a spray bottle, and when you spray in a cotton pad like this, lots of a product get wasted. I'll tell you how I use it. Just take a cotton pad, bring it near to the bottle and press. Now when you use it like this, most of the product would go into the cotton pad, nothing would get wasted, and then just dab lightly on your face. Second way how you can use it, just bring your palm near, spray directly on your palm, just do like this and dab. That's two ways of using it. That's how I use it. Now one more thing, it says how to use it. The indication given on this package is just close your eyes and spray on your face. When you close your eyes and spray on your face, I have tried it, but it was not a good experience at all, because even though if you close your eyes, it will fall on your eyelids, it will fall on your lips, and that's quite irritating. So best way is you can choose from either whichever I have shown is. Now one more thing, it says when we talk about toner, we have to use it twice a day when we do a CTM, but this is not a normal toner. This comes from chemical exfoliation, and this does have a AHA, even though 5%, but it does have. So I would not suggest you to use it daily. You can use it on alternate days, and other days you can use it your normal toner which you use it on your skin. This will also work, but you have to use it regularly. Now this was about a toner. Now we'll talk about next product. This is serum. Now when we talk about serum, it comes in this cute magnetic package. When you open it, you will get this type of plastic bottle inside. When we talk about serum, it's not like other serum that you have to apply on your face and leave it on. This you have to apply maximum 10 minutes on your face and then wash off with normal water. I'll also show the consistency of it. It's not a watery serum like any other serum you get. It's like a jelly type of consistency, light purple color serum, and 2 to 3 drops would be more than enough for your whole face. Just take it, and like other serum, you don't have to make it absorb completely in your skin. Just massage lightly, leave it for 10 minutes and wash it off. Now when you are doing this regime, make sure you avoid your under eyes areas completely. Don't try to apply it over there, and make sure you do it at night time. When I say night time, not even at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the evening. And if you have to do it in daytime, make sure you follow it with a heavy SPF of at least 50++. That's one thing. Now next thing is this, when to use it. It has to be used only once in a week. I have been using it once in a week from last month, and if you want to use maximum twice a week. If you want to use twice a week, at least wait for 2 to 3 weeks. Let your skin get used to it. Then you can continue using it 2 times a week if you want to use it. Otherwise, once in a week is more than enough. Just apply it, wash off your face, apply this toner, wait for 2-3 minutes, apply the serum, lightly massage on your skin. Don't massage that much that everything get absorbed in your skin. Wait for 10 minutes and wash off with normal water. After that, you can apply a normal moisturizer. If you have oily skin, you can apply a water-based moisturizer like Neutrogena Hydro Boost. Or if you have oily, normal to dry skin, you can apply other cream-based moisturizer. If you want to see review of any product on my channel, please let me know in the comment box. Now, what precautions you have to take when you are using this serum? When you are using this serum, make sure that you don't use any product in your like your face wash, your serum, your toner which has got vitamin C. It doesn't mean that you have to stop using vitamin C completely, but make sure on which particular day you are using this toner, you are doing this regime, chemical exfoliation. On that day, at least you avoid vitamin C. On other days, you can use vitamin C. It does work. Whatever claims it has done on the package, you can read it out. It does work. 90% of claims are fulfilled, and it definitely worth buying it. Now, when only one thing which I haven't experience is that it reduces your blemishes, pigmentation and dark spot, but I am not in a right position to judge it, because I think that I have used a product only for a month. When I say a month, that's only 4 times, that's once in a week. So it would not be fair to judge any product just using it 4 times. Maybe it will take longer, 3 to 4 months. After that, I would be in right position to tell you whether it works on dark spots or blemishes or not. That's one thing. Otherwise, these two are quite good products. If you want to introduce your skin to chemical exfoliation, these are good and decent products to invest in, and to begin with, introduce your skin to chemical exfoliation. So this was my review, guys, on Dot & Key serum and toner with AHA. If you like my video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. You can also check all the purchasing links in the description box. Thanks for watching.